show you guys this one. Ready? I don't know, is that good? Is that bad? I think I'm gonna try to tighten that up. Feels smooth. Probably just needs a little bit of grease. You still see what I'm doing? Kinda. Yeah. I'm gonna try to clean that and just give it a good lube. It's all flexible and bending, it just looks bad. But like, clip you here from the mount. All the sprockets look decent. They're not sharp toothed. I mean, it's got some miles on it, but again, lots of life left in that guy. I'm not making you seasick yet. There we go. How's that? That's what I like to do. Just give it a good coat and some PB Blaster. We'll take a wire brush to it. If it doesn't clean up, I'll just replace it. Cables look like they've been replaced relatively recently. I mean, clearly this bike's not in terrible shape, it just he's left outside. You got some surface rust on some stuff. good question. It's like Cycle Mechanic's favorite stuff. I just bought this a couple weeks ago. Didn't really believe all the hype until I bought it. And yeah, I love it. I don't know if I love it because it's a good lubricant or if I just love it because it's got this little straw deal on it that helps you lubricate the lines. But yeah, so far, I'm all right with it. Pretty thin weight of oil. What I read, it's supposed to have a little bit of Teflon in it. Kind of help with the sticky buildup. Well, I don't know if that guy's going to come back to life or not. But we'll go to 7 minutes, see what it does. Oh, it feels good. I like that one. Sorry, dripping out. Yeah, as far as thin weight oils go, that's pretty good. I think the closest thing I've seen to that's like gun oil. Oop, can't use the G word on YouTube. Forgot. Closest thing I've seen to that is fuel oil. The one I filmed on YouTube. Look at that, tangle up my lines. So frustrating.
You ready?
Yep. Going over there. Get that stuff?
Go to pet store first.
Okay. I'm gonna shut my video off and then we'll.
Sorry, am I interrupting that again?
Nah, that's alright. Part of life. That's part of our life. And I'm gonna probably replace that cable. But. Where were we? Where are the cables? That's where we were. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but maybe it's the fire trucks are just busy today. be honest with you, doing YouTube's weird. Doing videos. Because a lot of times I sit and talk to myself. I know my neighbors and everybody's walking by my place, and then this guy's talking to himself. That's alright. Takes a little bit of getting used to. It's just, it's all just something new. If you're interested, hit me below comment section. Tell me what you do for a living. I myself am a registered nurse by trade. Been doing that for a couple years now. Was an EMT for 22 years. Retired from that, and I do miss it. It's a fun job. Made a lot of good lifelong friends. One of those friends is actually the sponsors of a lot of these bikes that we're seeing. You guys are go ahead and see them. And leave it being anonymous at this point because I don't know if she wants to be acknowledged on the social medias. But if she does so, I'm sure I will grant that. Some people just don't like the shout outs, you know? Like to just do things to do things for the goodness of their heart. So that's what she's done. This feels pretty good. Yeah, that's too better. Move that up a little bit. You guys still seeing me okay? Hopefully good. What to do about this chain? I was hoping we could save it. I'd like to be a good steward with the things that people are donating and the money that people are donating. And I don't want to have to buy a new chain just for sake of buying a new chain, but I think she's a little rusty, but I think she'll be all right. I think she's a little rusty, but it'll be all right. Still works good. There's no frozen links. Still checks within balance or within length, so it's not overly stretched or anything. It's always fun trying to remember which way the thread goes. Alright, see if I can find a split. So if you guys are watching these, videos, I mentioned that we were taking, we always looking for sponsorship money because, without sponsorships, we just can't do as much. And it's sponsorships for little things like these. If you've never seen these things, let me get you up in the camera here. So this is basically a split link. It's a 2-part of a link. You can buy like 6 of these on Amazon for $8. I've got them on our Amazon wish list. And these are the things that, like I said, they're not expensive, but they make a difference. Finish popping that other side off of that before I can take on. But again, those are the things I was talking about. They're not expensive things, but it's things that I use a lot of, and the cost adds up for me. And if I can offset that and have you guys help out, that's terrific. For all the bike sponsors, you guys are terrific for donating these things. And like I said, most of them, the majority of them, just need a little TLC and they're back up and going. The rare gem that I have a couple of now that are just not cost efficient to fix. I've got a little kid's bike that, unless somebody donates some training wheels and some wheels for it, it's really not cost effective or feasible for me to fix it back up. The whole bike, kid's bike, is like $50, and the parts to fix it up would be close to that, if not that amount. So at this point, unless somebody donates parts, it's not feasible for me to fix it. I want to fix it and get it out, but again. All right, I think that's it for this one for now, until we get a few things. I just need some rubber for the wheels, and I think that'll be good. I think that'll be good to go. Again, this is just a good little bike that somebody didn't want. It just needs a little TLC. Oh, I guess I need some rim tape because the rim liner is just fell apart on that one. So, yep. Gonna need some rim tape and the tires. I don't know. They're probably still good for another little bit, but I don't trust them. I don't want to have somebody hop on this thing and immediately get a flat and crash and soon. So we'll do the best we can. I think the tubes are still good. They look pretty new, both the front and the rear. So that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna order some parts and I'll get back with you.